Folks, let's talk about how you can reinforce your portfolio growth with top home builders. Now, folks, I don't know if you've been paying any attention, but home builders and the broader housing industry, they were again a bright spot last week on data showing double-digit surge in housing starts and record level of home buyer traffic. The rebound in the housing market activity has been long aided by long-term macroeconomic trends of favorable millennial-led demographic historic low housing supply. Well, what a mouthful. Early signs of a suburban revival and record low mortgage rates. Now, home builders and the broader Hoya Capital Housing Index led the market this week on data showing that the housing market continues to lead the early stages of the economic rebound. Now, according to Mortgage Bankers Association, mortgage applications to purchase a home rose last week and are now higher by 16% from the last same levels a year ago, for the week ending July 10th to be specific. Meanwhile, the National Association of Home Builders reported that home builder sentiment jumped 14 points in June to 72 in July, barely shy of the record high levels of 75 set back in late 2019. Now, all three major subcomponents gained last month with both current sales and future sales rising to at least 75, while homebuyer traffic rebounded to 58, the highest level of home buying traffic on record. Pay attention, folks. Now, later in the week, the U.S. Consensus Bureau reported that housing starts jumped 17.3% in June to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.18 million units, while building permits, this is important because this means not just refinancing, right? Rose 2.1% to a rate of 1.24 million units, each roughly in line with consensus estimates. Now, the first stock on my list is Meritage Homes Corporation, ticker symbol MTH. Meritage Home Corporation is the 8th largest public home builder in the U.S. The company builds, sells single-family homes, first-time, move-up, luxury, and active adult buyers across the West, Southern, and Southeast United States. The 5-year return, almost 80%. 5-year revenue growth, almost 70%. 5-year earnings growth, over 85%. The numbers are solid. The stock has had 4 quarters of double-digit earnings surprises and prices making all-time highs. With the current interest rate environment near historic lows, I'm anticipating more upside from Meritage in the coming months. There's an upside price target of about $95 per share, and I believe price will reach that level over the next few quarters, if not sooner. The second stock on my list of stocks that's poised to rise with increased home sale activity is D.R. Horton, ticker symbol DHI. D.R. Horton is engaged in the construction sale of high-quality homes through a diversified brand of portfolios that include D.R. Horton, Emerald Homes, Express Homes, Freedom Homes. I've been seeing Freedom Homes a lot lately, actually. D.R. Horton also provides mortgage financing and title services for home buyers through their mortgage and title subsidiaries. Basically, they've got the whole they're doing the whole package. They'll refinance your home, they'll finance your home, and they'll sell you a home, and they'll build you a home. Now, fundamentally, the stock's been very, very stable for the last 5 years. 5-year revenue growth, almost 120%. 5-year earnings growth, 186%. 5-year dividend growth, I love this part the best, 328+%. Earnings had positive surprises last 4 quarters, and shares have 9 strong buy recommendations. The stock is making all-time highs, and short-term profit targets about 15% above the current price level, telling me there's more upside on the way over the next few quarters. Hope that helps.